All right, we've got some messed up threads right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat this bolt up, the head of it, with this torch right now and get it hot, and I'm going to screw it into the plastic. I'll show you how I do this. It'll make new threads. I always know it's hot enough when it starts to burn my finger through the heat through the bolt. When it gets hot enough to feel it in the glove, that's usually a great time to try to insert it into the hole and start turning. So you want it hot enough to melt the plastic and form in the threads, but not hot enough to completely annihilate everything. You see it's still burning my hand right now. That's good. I'm going to turn that off and get ready to put this where it would go and just start screwing it in immediately. Right when you get it in there, see it's melting. So just screw in at the rate that you normally would put a screw in there and just keep going. And then when you get it all the way in straight to where you want the screw to be, then take water and spray it like that. And cool the entire thing down so it has no more heat. Now when that's nice and cool, you're going to notice it has a lot of bite now. See how it was really flimsy before? Now watch this. You're just going to hear it like crack loose there. So now when you take this out, you will see that you have brand new threads. A whole set of them all the way down. So there you go. And if you look inside, you will see that they are, well, look, you can see they're perfect. Now I'm going to pull this out and you'll be able to look and see inside here. I'm going to pick the camera up and you can see that the threads are brand new in there and nice and tight all the way around. I've done this for a lot of repairs and it works great. So rather than heat the plastic up and melt everything that's on there, just use the bolt to do it. Now, the reason that's all melted and destroyed is because the muffler was leaking out of the side and the guy let it run like that and melted the entire piece off. So anyway, that's the tip. That's how I make my new screw holes, and hopefully you find the video helpful.